ZANU-PF has apologized to Zambia's ruling United Party for National Development (UPND) for inflammatory remarks made by some of its members against Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema. Sabina mashikobulani governor party tiona kuti aiwa ZANU-PF yoti it won't happen again. You apologize kuna Hakainde Hichilema no subscribe wala got on the bell icon. Tipera panapa upindula mubulani kwa mchinzi. Relations between the two countries became strained following Hichilema's election victory, after which several of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's allies, including spokesperson George Charamba, publicly labeled Hichilema a sellout. In a move to ease tensions, a UPND delegation led by Secretary General Batuke Imenda met with its senior ZANU-PF officials on Monday, including the party's Secretary for Administration, Obet Mpofu. The delegation later paid a courtesy call on President Mnangagwa. During the meeting, Mpofu assured the UPND delegation that ZANU-PF members would refrain from making any further disparaging remarks about President Hichilema, said Mpofu. We also distance ourselves from the negative remarks made by some of our members, and we wish to assure you that there will be no further negative publicity about Zambia, as you are our brother in neighborhood. Here in Zimbabwe, we are under sustained attack from a variety of sources, including our own members, being used by members of the opposition, as well as some Western governments, which are actively funding foreign media to write inflammatory commentary coupled with insults and threats. And our policy as ZANU-PF government is that we work with the political parties that are in power. Anything outside that is not entertained. Mpofu also claimed that Hichilema's party had supported ZANU-PF in countering the March 31 demonstrations organized by self-exiled war veteran Blessed Kesa. He said, the ruling party ZANU-PF yapologize kuna Hakainde Hichilema. Kwa hiyo kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino tino supporters onotokonya the Zambian leader. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nako message medu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.